That crucial approach shot. 167 yards to the pin. Is it a smooth 7-iron? Or a hard 8? That single guess, that moment of doubt, is the difference between a birdie putt and a bogey. In 2025, guessing is a choice. But with so many rangefinders claiming slope, vibration, and pinpoint accuracy, which one actually delivers under pressure? I've taken them all to the course, through fog, sun, and tricky slopes, to find the 5 that genuinely help you shoot lower scores. Coming in at number 5, a feature pack unit that won't break the bank. And my number 1 pick, the rangefinder that feels like it's almost cheating. Starting at number 1. Bushnell Tour V6 Shift Rangefinder. Best all-around rangefinder. Spending time on the course with the Bushnell Tour V6 Shift Rangefinder left us genuinely impressed by its capabilities and ease of use. At a mere 5.6 ounces, it felt incredibly light and natural in hand, never cumbersome during a round. The 6x magnification, paired with its clear LCD, made targeting pins effortless, providing sharp and precise visuals. We particularly like the little vibrating jolts from its pin seeker with jolt technology, which really confirmed we had the flag locked in, boosting our confidence on every shot. Adjustments were lightning fast thanks to its efficient, fast focus system, ensuring quick and accurate readings. The V6 proved incredibly convenient with its integrated bite magnetic cart mount. We simply attached it directly to the cart, making for effortless attachment and detachment between shots. Its impressive 550-yard range and spot-on accuracy within a single yard consistently gave us reliable numbers, even when facing longer or trickier layouts. We found the slope mode invaluable for calculating compensated distances, which really enhanced its usefulness when navigating varied terrain, helping us choose the right club every time. Number 2. TecTecTec KLYR Rangefinder. Most accurate rangefinder. We got our hands on the TecTecTec KLYR rangefinder, and it definitely impressed us. Straight out of the box, its modern, ergonomic design caught our eye. It just feels good in your hand. The 7-ounce weight makes it incredibly light and portable, perfect for clipping to your belt or slipping into a pocket without adding bulk. When we hit the course, the KLYR truly shined. The OLED display was consistently clear and easy to read, even in varying light conditions. This makes target acquisition a breeze. With its 6x magnification and a range of 540 yards, we found it effortless to pick out flags and other targets, even from a good distance. The continuous scan mode, paired with advanced pin sensor technology, proved invaluable. It was surprisingly simple to lock onto those tricky, hard-to-acquire flags, giving us reliable distances quickly. We also appreciated the multi-coated optics, which provided a crisp and precise view through the lens. Beyond the basics, the KLYR offers practical features such as 3 different distance readout modes and a diopter adjustment, allowing you to tailor the view to your eyesight. Number 3. Bluetooth S3 Max Rangefinder. Best rangefinder for your money. We recently put the Bluetooth S3 Max rangefinder through its paces, and for golfers who want solid performance without breaking the bank, this rangefinder is a serious contender. Weighing in at a mere 6.7 ounces, it's incredibly light and comfortable to hold throughout a full round, which is a big plus when you're walking. On the course, its 6x magnification made picking out targets surprisingly clear, even with its mono LCD. While the display is pretty basic and doesn't offer a ton of frills, it gets the job done and is easy enough to read. We consistently got reliable yardages, and its ability to lock onto flags up to 450 yards away was impressive for its price point. The short vibrating bursts when we hit the target were a nice, confidence-boosting touch, confirming we had the right number every time. This consistent accuracy, shot after shot, is why we're so impressed with its value. The S3 Max also boasts some handy modes for scanning wooded areas and estimating distances when a direct line isn't possible, adding to its versatility on different courses. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, its core function, delivering highly accurate yardages with good optical clarity, exceeded our expectations for the price. Number 4. Bushnell Pro X3 Golf Rangefinder. Best rangefinder for ultimate clarity. Having personally put the Bushnell Pro X3 Golf Rangefinder through its paces on the course, we can confidently say this thing lives up to its premium reputation. At a solid 5.6 ounces, it feels robust and stable in hand, which really helps with those longer shots. The 7x magnification is fantastic, giving you a crystal clear view of the flag even from way down the fairway, sometimes over 600 yards out. We found its accuracy consistently within half a yard, which is exactly what you want for confident club selection. The dual LCD is a neat trick. You get your main yardage plus a smaller, magnified number in the corner. It's like a second confirmation that just clicks. And the pin seeker with Jolt technology? Spot on. It vibrates with short, decisive bursts when it locks onto the flag, so there's zero guesswork. That precision is a big part of why it's considered to have unmatched optical quality and accuracy. It just performs flawlessly. Durability isn't an afterthought here either. This rangefinder is built to last, being fully waterproof, fog-proof, and IPX7 rated. We played through some unexpected downpours, and it didn't miss a beat. The strong housing body definitely inspires confidence. Plus, the integrated bite magnetic cart mount is surprisingly strong and super convenient for quick access on the cart. Number 5. Nikon Coolshot 50i Rangefinder. Best compact rangefinder. We've tested many rangefinders, and the Nikon Coolshot 50i always impresses with its compact and lightweight design. At 4.4 ounces, it easily disappears in your pocket or golf bag, making it perfect for golfers who prefer compact gear. But don't let its size fool you. This little beast still boasts 6x magnification, making targets appear super sharp and bright. In our field tests, the first target priority was a game changer. Even with trees or other distractions behind the flag, the 50i locked onto the closest target right away, giving us confidence in our yardage. When we turned on the ID slope technology, it gave us slope-adjusted distances, a must-have for hilly courses. Now for the downsides. Performance is top-notch, but battery life is only average. We found ourselves changing out the CR2 lithium battery more often than some of our competitors. Nikon claims it's good for 13,000 measurements, but heavy use on the golf course might shorten that lifespan. And there you have it. From game-changing budget options to tour-level professional gear, one of these 5 rangefinders is your new secret weapon to lower scores. To help you get one in your bag, I've compiled direct links to every model we reviewed, with the latest 2025 deals and discounts, in the description below. If this review helps you find more fairways and stick more greens, please smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Share this with your regular foursome, and subscribe for more gear reviews and tips to dominate the course. Now go lower that handicap.